Segment 1. What is the Wealth Enablement Circle? The Wealth Enablement Circle is the four-part framework that decides how fast you can grow wealth, how much you can hold, and whether you can sustain it. Wealth doesn't respond to desire, it responds to readiness. This circle measures your readiness. Counterclockwise arrow. Segment 2. The four forces of the Wealth Enablement Circle. Here are the four forces that complete the circle. 1. Mindset enablement, inner readiness. Your belief system decides the ceiling of your financial life. If your mind is not enabled, your wealth cannot expand. Effects of low mindset readiness. Fear of opportunity, money, guilt, habit, self-sabotage, low identity value. 2. Skill enablement, capability readiness. You cannot enter a financial level you are not capable of serving. Skill enablement means you have the competence required to multiply money. High skill readiness produces confidence, demand, value expansion, income growth. 3. Network enablement, relational readiness. Wealth moves through people, not through isolation. The people around you determine the speed of your progress. Signs of network weakness. No mentors, no collaborators, no market access, no exposure. 4. Structure enablement, system readiness. Structure decides sustainability. You cannot build big wealth on a small structure. This includes financial systems, income channels, business structure, wealth protection, stability mechanisms. Repeat button. Segment 3. How the circle works when all four forces align. Mindset, skill, network, structure, wealth becomes inevitable. But if even one force is weak, your circle breaks. A broken circle leads to inconsistent income, burnout, stagnation, financial delay, sudden collapse. You don't rise by effort, you rise by completion of the circle. Hammer and wrench. Segment 4. How to complete your Wealth Enablement Circle. Step 1. Upgrade mindset enablement, heal money trauma, raise your identity, and build abundance belief. Step 2. Strengthen skill enablement, become too valuable to ignore. Step 3. Expand network enablement, position yourself where wealth flows, not where it struggles. Step 4. Build structure enablement, create systems that make your income predictable and scalable.